What is the largest living structure on Earth? Answer A. Great Barrier Reef. Which planet spins on its side compared to others in the solar system? Answer B. Uranus. Rainforests are found only in South America. False. Rainforests also exist in Africa, Asia, and Oceania. The Moon has its own atmosphere similar to Earth's. That's false. The Moon has only a very thin exosphere, not a true atmosphere. Which natural process wears down mountains over time? Answer A. Erosion. Enjoyed the quiz? Comment your score and subscribe for more amazing facts.